My name is Dr. Nathan Freed, and I'm a new assistant professor here in the Department of Biology at Rutgers University-Camden. Students do not learn from just being lectured at. They will pay attention for 10 minutes and then they will blank out. I mean, I've done it. People, when they go to seminar, have done it. This is a common thing, not of students at young ages, but just of human beings. When I'm teaching a 3-hour-long class at night, you can imagine that being a huge barrier to entry for these students to learn and really pull in this information. So the way that I designed the course was to break it up into multiple sections. We have 2 different evening presentations. One that presents a recent science article about the opioid epidemic, about opioids, about chronic pain or addiction. And then we have a partner presentation by another student who critically analyzes the animal models that are being used in that paper. And so it ends up creating this really awesome conversation amongst all the students. And then just to make sure that all students are prepared to do really thorough conversation, I have them write up worksheets before the class about that research article being presented. So every student in the classroom has read that research article, has written out questions that they can ask, so that they're not just sitting passively and listening to somebody going over a research article. They know the nitty-gritty parts of that research article, and they're ready to discuss it with the presenter at that time.
I love to hear other people's opinions and to see how they feel about things, and just the discussion. Our discussions can be philosophical, they can be scientific, so it's a very large range of discussions, and it just opens up so many different doors, and it's very thought-provoking and interesting.
Because of the topic that we're going over, the opioid crisis, everyone has a lot of different opinions. So to hear what a group of students like ourselves thinks about it, that has some educational background in it, or some kind of experience, it's really helpful to also get perspectives from different people.
I think the students have come in with preconceived notions about what the opioid epidemic is, but I think that the majority of the students here at Rutgers-Camden, at least the ones that I've interacted with, they have very open minds about this issue. So what I've been able to provide them with this class is the basic science understanding of this experience, or of the opioid epidemic. This class has been incredibly fun. The students love this class. They are so incredibly engaged. I had no idea that they would be this engaged. It has been a really great experience for me, for my first semester as a faculty member, to have a cohort of students who are so active in this material.